In the heart of a bright green meadow lived a little hedgehog named Henry. Unlike the other animals, Henry wasn't fast like the deer or strong like the bear. But he had something special: he was always ready to help. One chilly autumn morning, as leaves fluttered down like confetti, Henry noticed a bluebird shivering on a branch. "I can't fly south. My wing is hurt," chirped the bird sadly. Henry gently replied, "Don't worry. I'll help you." He gathered dry grass, soft moss, and built a cozy nest near his den. He even brought berries and seeds for the bluebird every day. Other animals watched, surprised by Henry's kindness. Soon, winter arrived with icy winds. Some animals who had forgotten to store food came to Henry. Though he didn't have much, he shared what he could. "You were kind to me," the bluebird chirped one evening. "Now it's my turn to help." The bluebird sang cheerful songs each day, lifting everyone's spirits. Other animals, inspired by Henry and the bird, started helping each other too. By spring, the bluebird's wing healed, and the forest had become a friendlier place, all because of one helpful hedgehog. Moral: helping others doesn't require strength or speed, just a kind heart. Even the smallest acts of kindness can change the world. Thanks for watching.